the next thing that goes on is the weather station, and it's mounted on top of there's a bracket on top of one of those chimneys that holds, and this will sit up right up higher than the whole green feed, higher than the outlet pipe, and we'll wire this back into that conduit that runs down. So there, this is a. I leave that on because it's very easy to damage. There's actually two more pieces of that that go over that to stop that being damaged.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put it there. So this will give us wind direction. This will give us wind velocity. Thing that we'll be putting on, we'll be connecting up. This unit that is here is one of the newer units. The older units, and some of you, I don't know who has them, but they would have the auto calibration. The older system came with two calibration gases, which was our normal way we did calibrations with a zero gas, which was nitrogen, and a known span gas of known concentrations. The new system has this cylinder, which is a combination of all the gases that we use, but at hugely high concentrations. And how this works is there and we'll get to that when we look at the unit. It has a mass flow controller that will inject a certain percentage of these gases, and mixed with ambient air will produce what they require as a span and a zero gas. So, which is out of we cannot control it. It is done by the instrument and activated we can activate the auto recovery calibration, but we can't control how it works. It's automatically by Sealog, but we'll see all that when we get it all done. We still can do, luckily, is we can carry out a manual calibration. So using CO2